Good morning and welcome to episode 5 of Real Estate Cafe. I'm your host, Waylon Chavez with ABQ Premier Properties, Albuquerque's premier full-service real estate company, going on 15 years now. And we're super excited to have you join us. We're on our 5th episode. We're getting some traction. We're getting some momentum with the Real Estate Cafe. It's been well received. And what I want to share before we get started is this new Real Estate Cafe swag I got. Just recently, I got this cup. Luke with Agency 66 here, a local branding and graphic design company, did the logo for us. And Rebecca Hernandez did the cup and put it on the cup. And she ordered the mugs and got them done. They actually fit in a Keurig. So if you have them, I got a few that I'm going to be doing a giveaway on. But I got some for sale. So reach out. But it's pretty awesome, pretty excited. Today I'm drinking some Costa Rican coffee from the green coffee bean and tea leaf. So hope you all are doing well. Before we get started, I'm going to ask you all to share the video, invite people to watch it, and comment as we go along. If you have any questions, comment on it and let me know, and I'll do my best to answer any questions. So this week, what we're going to talk about, a couple of things. And one major thing is Albuquerque ranks 7th in hottest real estate markets out of the top 95 of 2020. And that's according to a report from Construction Coverage. So that's pretty amazing. That's pretty awesome. Before we get into that, I'm going to share with you the stats. I'm going to give you an update on Albuquerque and Rio Rancho metro area for the last week, let you know what's going on, let you know what activity has been going on and why it's such a great time to get into real estate, whether selling or buying or investing. Homes are not lasting on the market. They're going pretty quick here. If they're priced well, they're showing well. They've been prepared before they've hit the market. But just in Albuquerque Metro alone, from last Friday to today, 209 homes have sold. So that's pretty significant. Just in a short period of time, 209 homes have sold from 1 week ago today. The average days on market were 23 days, and the average sold price is $291,563. So it's $291,563 is the average sales price from a week ago today that has been sold in Albuquerque. And currently, in the same time, we've had new homes come in the market at the rate of 191 homes in the same time frame. So we're kind of outpacing the homes for sale to the ones coming on. So we're very low on inventory. So I'm going to ask you if you or anybody you know is considering, maybe if they've had a dream of, buying if they've gotten into a starter home and they want to move up to their dream home, they want to build a home, they need to move closer to work, whatever that may be, we can definitely help them out. Have them reach out to us directly at 505-712-1340. We would love to speak with them and take care of you guys in any way we can. And along those same lines, the pending homes, which means it went under contract, they got a contract on the home, so it's no longer active, but it's not closed yet, is 228 within that time frame, the week time frame. And the average days on market on that one before they got a contract was 17. So you can see the market is strong. The market's great. The interest rates are still way low. I remember when I bought my house, we were excited at 5%, and now 5% is high. People don't want to do anything more than 3%. So it's pretty crazy. And Rio Rancho, I'm going to give you from last Friday till today. In Rio Rancho, Albuquerque and Rio Rancho, the two biggest metros here, other than Las Cruces. So I'm going to give you Rio Rancho. So sold between a week ago today was 52 homes. Their average days on market were 17. The average sales price there was $271,287. So between the same time, homes that went under contract under pending were 67 homes. So you can see things are selling, things are going good. And active homes, new homes that came on the market within the same time frame is 39. So again, you're tuned into Real Estate Cafe with Waylon Chavez and ABQ Premier Properties. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you're drinking. Want to show off the real estate swag here, Real Estate Cafe swag. And if you want one, I'm going to be doing a giveaway contest on this. So be paying attention to that. We'll do it from the ABQ Premier Properties page and my personal Facebook page. But if you're watching the video, please share, please comment, ask any questions you may have. And we're here to conversate. This week, we don't have a guest, But from now on, we're going to start trying to bring guests on maybe every other week so you can learn the process and learn from people in the industry and be better educated, because that's what we're here for. At ABQ Premier Properties, we're here to be your resource. We want to educate you. We want you better educated on the process. And that way, when you do decide to make that, whether it's move, buying a new house, moving up, whatever it is, you can call us and count on us. So back to the article that came out yesterday that I saw, or it came out earlier this month, but I pulled it yesterday and saved it for Real Estate Cafe, which is Albuquerque ranks 7th in hottest real estate markets out of the top 95 of 2020. And this was a study done by Construction Coverage. So the data shows the national average monthly home value index for 2020 was 4.7% higher than 2019. Yet some housing markets, which includes Albuquerque, have significantly exceeded this growth. A comprehensive look at state level data and data from the nation's 95 largest real estate markets reveals that home prices in the Western US are projected to increase more than in any other region over the next 12 months. So, that is pretty amazing and pretty awesome, especially, and that's, I want to say, per COVID, COVID hasn't put a hinder on our real estate market. People are still buying, people are still selling. They're in the real estate market because it's so good and it's so strong and the economy was so strong. So I want to share with you what the study came up with, and we're number 7. That's pretty significant out of the 95 top markets in the US. So what their study came up with, median home price was $219,355. And the change from that previous 1 year change in home price is 8%. So what that means is homeowners over the last year had an average of 8% increase in their equity over the last year. So if you're renting and you're not owning a home, you got zero. Your landlord did, and that's all good because I encourage investing too. But think about it. If you could have been owning your own home, you could have had a fixed interest rate where your rent doesn't go up, your mortgage will stay the same for 30 years, but earn an 8% increase in your equity just by owning your home. That's money in your pocket eventually. The median days on market, the average days on market, and this is huge for the whole year, is 10. So 10 days on market. If your home is priced right, if you do the pre-listing stuff that we advise you to do when you call us and we go out there and have a consultation with you, we will educate you on the process, give you items on what to do and what we do to prepare the home before it hits the market. Your average days on market is 10 or less. I've gotten 4 or 5 offers in a day. Now, the projected 1 year change in the home price for this year, for 2021, they're projecting a 6.4% increase here in Albuquerque and New Mexico for 2021. So I would encourage you, if you're thinking about it, if you thought about it, if you have questions, reach out to us and let us know. We can put you in the right direction. That's what we're here for. We're here to answer questions. We're here to educate. We're here to be the resource and be your real estate consultants for life, not just when you're buying or selling. We want to help you build wealth. We want to be that person, your go-to person that you go to, just like your insurance agent, just like your doctor, and just like your accountant. We want to be that person for you. And that's, again, the other reason we started this Real Estate Cafe podcast and live show here on Facebook and other places we're streaming at. So I want to cover with you guys too is what we're going to start doing now. And if you want to be included in this, what we do for our clients every year is what I call a real estate review. And what that is if, just like you go to your doctor every year, you get a checkup, you go see your accountant every year. My philosophy is you should see your realtor every year also. So what I do is I pull a specific report for my customers based on their home and their neighborhood and their address, and I call it a real estate review. And what we do is we let them know what's going on in the neighborhood, what's been going on with values, and what estimated value of what their home could sell for in today's market. That way they're educated, they're informed, and they know we have their back. They know we're going to take care of them and watch over them. So if you want to be included in that, somebody who does, drop me a comment in the comments and say yes, or shoot me a PM with your email address, and I'll reach out to you and we can get that taken care of. I'm going to be starting these real estate reviews on Monday of next week, and I'll be doing those up until I get them all done, and I physically mail them out so you can actually have a hard copy of it and see. But if you prefer email, I could do that also. So let me know. Again, Albuquerque has a strong real estate market. Don't be scared. This was all through COVID. This was whatever happened last year, we still had one of the strongest real estate markets in the country, number 7 to be exact. So it's been amazing. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Please comment, send me a direct PM, or you can call me or text me directly at 505-712-1340. And then the next coming weeks, we're going to start bringing people, more realtors to help serve our community on our team. And we are going to bring them on Real Estate Cafe. So we can introduce them to you. You can hear a little bit about them. And you never know, you may be able to build a relationship with them. So again, it's Waylon Chavez with Real Estate Cafe, episode number 5. I want to thank you for joining. Please share this. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can go to realestatecafepodcast.com and subscribe there. And again, please share this. Please reach out with any questions you may have. And again, I want to thank Luke and Rebecca for the swag of Real Estate Cafe. So I wish you all a great weekend. Again, please share this. Please reach out with any concerns or questions you may have. And have a great and wonderful weekend, everybody. Thank you so much.